one from Mr. Tablet. So today we are going to see naming carboxylic acid. Just like before, we have 4 rules to name carboxylic acid. Rule number 1 tells us the longest carbon chain with COOH group is chosen. So if we look at this compound, definitely this is the longest chain with the COOH group. Rule number 2, identify the parent compound. When you see COOH group, which means when you see a group like this, C double bonded O, O, another hydrogen, you understand that it is a carboxylic acid. For instance here, look, C double bonded O and a OH, COOH group. So definitely this whole compound is a carboxylic acid. Now, the most important rule, which is rule number 3. The COOH group carbon is numbered as 1, which means this carbon is going to be numbered as 1. So automatically this carbon is going to be numbered as 2 and this carbon is going to be numbered as 3. Rule number 4, the names and positions of substituents are put as prefixes in alphabetical order before the name of the parent carboxylic acid. However, in this compound, we don't have any substituent, so we don't need to think about that. But now let's name this compound. In total, over here, we have 3 carbon, including the carbon of the functional group, which is the COOH group. We have 3 carbon in total. First carbon, second carbon, three carbon, third carbon. So whenever there is a 3 carbon, we call it pro. So as it is a carboxylic acid, we are going to say it propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Why propanoic? Because there are 3 carbons, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. Meet it pro. Oic. Why oic? Because it is a carboxylic acid, an acid, propanoic acid. Alright, so this compound's name is propanoic acid. Now let's look at this one. So definitely this is the longest chain with the COOH group, and definitely this is the COOH group, so this entire compound is a carboxylic acid. Now we will definitely number this carbon as 1 because this is the COOH carbon. This carbon is 2, this carbon is 3, and this carbon is 4. Now over here we have 2 substituent group. We have a chloro group and we have a methyl group. Now definitely alphabetically C comes first and then comes M, methyl. So let's name this compound. So the chloro group, because C comes first alphabetically and it is at position 3, it's gonna be 3-chloro hyphen 2-methyl, because this methyl group is at position 2, 2-methyl. And in total, how many carbon are there? 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. Look, we are also considering the functional group carbon when we are counting the total carbon. So in total, there are 4 carbon. So 3-chloro, 2-methyl. As there are 4 carbon, the name of this carboxylic acid is going to be butanoic acid because there are 4 carbon, butanoic acid. So the name of this carboxylic acid becomes 3-chloro, 2-methyl butanoic acid. These 3-chloro and 2-methyl are the substituents, and butanoic acid because there are 4 carbons in total. I hope this video is clear. If you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment. I'll be glad to answer your confusions. Thank you.